Hello students. Today we are going to start computer science grade 6 and I'm going to go through the study guide which Ms. Nairuz gave it to you, which include advanced PowerPoint, MS Excel and introduction of QBasic. QBasics stands for means quick basics. You should go even through the exercises. If you have any questions you can ask me. Now here we'll start with the revision guide which Miss Neeraj gave it to you. I'm going to go through the question and answers. It says, what is a template? A template is a design or a pattern of a slide or group of slides. Now, what does it mean? That means how it's been designed. The pattern. For example, here, have any option. See how your template will look. These are the template, that means the design of it. Design, go to design. From here you can these are the templates themes. You can change it. For example, you can just click, so the theme will be changed completely. So from here you can change. This is known as a template of the slides. All this is known as a template. What is a template? A template is a design or a pattern of a slide or a group of slides. Question 2. What does a template contain? What does it contain? What does it have? Contain means what does it have? It contains layout, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects and theme background. It contains layouts, how it looks, colors, fonts, the alphabets, the letters, the effects and the backgrounds. Here, how does it look? See the colors. These are the text or the alphabet text, colors, images, how it looks. If I change it, change the theme, so the theme will be changed. From design you can choose any theme. I have more than a theme. See, I can choose according to what I want. Let's choose this one, for example. See, it will be changed. So what does a template contains? It contains layout, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects and background styles. What is a theme? It is a set of formatting style that includes background, fonts, lines, fill effects that enable the user to take a quick take a quick and professional looking presentation. So when you make a theme, it becomes much professional, it looks good. See, and what does it contain? It contains lines, the colors, the effects. You can see these are known as the effects. See, each theme has its own effects. So the effects mean changing. See, I can change from here. See, the effects are being changed, color and so on. Repeating, what is a theme? It is a formatting style that includes a background, fonts, lines, fill effects that enables the user to take a quick professional looking presentation. What is a photo album? It is a PowerPoint presentation containing photographs to be displayed. Album means it contains images. It contains images. What is a photo album? It is a PowerPoint presentation contains photographs to be displayed. That means from images, insert, I guess, yes, insert pictures, albums. That means you can choose if you have any album inside, you can choose images in it and you can display it like that. We displayed here. See, this picture has been displayed. So you can even display or insert an image. What is the use of PowerPoint Slide Master? Why do we use PowerPoint Slide? We can, PowerPoint Slide Master. What is the use of it? It says we can modify the slide master to change the look of all the slide in a presentation. That means I can use it, slide here, to change the look as I have done here. Design, by clicking on it, I can change the whole design of my presentation. See, all the templates being changed. Define the term note master. Notes page view display the speaker's notes for each slide. Note master, that means a display here. What I have been written. This is a note display. This square, see, when I click on this part, I will have a note display. That means I can type. Here you can find, you can write about each picture or each information. See here, the topics about the family. So here it's about family here. So you can just type, click here, you will have this box by default, and you can type about that picture you want to type. So you can present it in a better way or a professional way. Define the term handouts master. Handouts are used to print materials to the audience during the presentation. So whatever you have done, you can even hand out. So you can even present, for example, the thing you're going to present, you can print it. You can go here, file, and click on print, and it will print out the presentation. So you can give it to hand out. That means you can give it to the people, those who are there for your presentation, so they can go through, so they can have an idea about what presentation you are going to give about. So define the term handout master. A handout are the printed materials given to the audience. Audience are the people, those who are watching, those are there for your presentation during the presentation. What is animation? Animation refers to a specific effects that are added to the objects and text presentation. Animation are special effects. See, I can go here, click on animations. See, I can add, click on here. See, I can add. See, these are the effects, animations. Click, choose from here which effect, which animation you wanted. Let's say turn. See, my slideshow, my text being turned. So these are animation. So animation refer to a special effects that are added to the object and the text in a presentation. What is the use of charts in PowerPoint? Why do I use chart? Charts are used to display or analyze the data in pictorial format. Charts are used to display or analyze the data in a pictorial format. What does that mean? If I have any data, for example, I can go design here, insert, I can go to chart. For example, if I have any numbers, at the moment I don't know, let's see. Yeah, see, I can choose, wait for a while until it imported from, see, my data. This is, I can change the data. For example, it's about, let's see, make it, close it. See, this would be my data. I can turn it into a graphical, that means my data. Charts are used to display or analyze the data in a pictorial format. That means I have a data, I can convert it into a pictorial format in a type of a graph. What is the use of hyperlink? A hyperlinks create a link to a slide, a web page, or an email or another program. Hyperlink, that means you can click, you can make a link or you can add a link. When you click on it, when you're going to click on it, it will take you directly to that link. Hyperlink. That helps. Like you can type an email www.gmail.com or like your own email or the site or website, you will type it, it will create here. When you're going to type it, you can make here an hyperlink. See, link, add a link. So create a document link. That means when you click on it, it will take you directly to that link from here. Click on it, type the name of the link, and it will be placed over here. When do we need to reuse a slide? Reuse a slide. When do we need to reuse a slide? Sometimes we require a data from an already saved presentation. So we reuse the slide in existing presentation. That means I will use the same slide for another project. That means I will reuse it again. That's a meaning of reuse slide. The same slide, I use it again. See, for example, I have this slide, I want to use it, so I can either make it as a duplicate slide. See, I have it and I can just change, and I'm using the same slide here, so I just can change my content or according to what I want. Now, what is a formula? Now this is, we're coming to Microsoft, bit of Microsoft Excel. A formula is made up of operand and an operator. A formula is made up of an operand and an operator. This is known as a formula. You use it like sum. We'll come to that. I will show you how it's been done. What is the use of sum function? Sum means to add. It's add up all the values in a range of a cell. What is the use of a sum function? It adds up all the values in a range of cells. What is the use of average function? It calculates the average of the cell values. Come here. What is a use of max function? It finds the largest number in a selected range of a cell value. That means it will choose the biggest number. What is a use of min function? Min means minimize. It finds the lowest number in the selected range. 18. What is a use of count function? It counts the cell values. Okay, students, question number 19. What is a function? It is a predefined formula. It is a predefined formula. Let me show you how you can use these functions. For example, here, first of all, I'm going to make, if you want to choose a table, highlight it, highlight the cells. Now here, this horizontally, these are known as columns and these are known as your rows. This is a cell reference. Columns are always labeled in what? In alphabets, letters like B, A, B, C, D, and rows are in numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So let's make a table. Choose, take a small one, go to, you can either go to insert, click on a table, press, okay. Let's say here, students, we try to make a database students name, for example, name. Let's say the subject, let's say go for maths, English. Okay, for me you can type even here. Okay, then click here. Let's for signs, and let's go for here. Total marks. Let's choose. Let me see if I want to insert something. Insert more. Right click, left click. Sorry. Go to insert. Where do you want it? Right, left or right? I need it on right. We need AV for average. Again, I need two. If I need two, I will choose two columns. Right, left click. Right click on it and insert. Let's go for left here. It gave me on my left total average, so I can just close it. I'll make it on, it's much better. Here from max, minimum count average. I have it already. Let's choose names like Ali, Nas, Muhammad, Khalid, Ibrahim, Nas. For example, how much marks they got? Let's say 30 and 40, 50, 34, 35, 67. I'm going to use the same numbers. You can choose all them. Right click, copy, click here, paste. Let's go for 34 here. Let's go for the same number here. Copy, paste, paste. Okay, now I need total marks. So in Microsoft Excel, whatever you want to use a formula, you always start with equal sign. Equal, type sum means total. Double click on it, it will open. Choose the cells like that. You need to add and press enter. See, it automatically added up all the values. So when I change any value here like 45, see, it will change by itself. Like 98, it will change by itself. Let's go for average. Same thing, going to do equal. Now average AV, you will have the average. Double click on it, choose. You need average of what? Average of their marks. See, you will have average of their marks. Here you have 0. This is error because remove this one, and this one. This is, and whenever you have an error, you will see something like that. It's removed because here. Now maximum here equal, same thing, max. Double click. We need a maximum number here, 67. If you need the same thing need to be applied, come here to the bottom edge of it, this black cursor, go like that. It will choose the biggest number, maximum number. See, what's the maximum number in this row until here? 67. So if I make this one, let's say 98, it will be changed by itself. Same thing here, equal min. Double click on it, choose. So it will give you the smallest number. Same thing here, bottom edge of it, click, keep holding and move. See, you will have the smallest number here. This is, for example, if I change to 15, it will be the minimum number now will be 15, not 35. Count, same thing, equal sign, COU. Here, double click on it until the brackets open. Click on the cell you want till here. It will count the numbers of cells. See, all of them will be same because all the cells are 6. We have 6 cells here. So this is how you can add and how you can use this, like max function, max count, total marks, or the sum, or the average. Now, okay students, in next video we're going to continue about quick basics and about the fill in the blanks of study guide which Miss Nehruz has given to you. For further questions you can ask me. If you have any question, I'm available on Viber from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Please do ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.